Hey guys, Cooper Barnes here, and as you know, today is Earth Day, and as you know, the Earth ain't doing so good. We're at a tipping point with climate change, and if we don't start breaking old habits right now, the Earth's not going to be able to sustain human life for much longer. That's it, game over, end the line. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, and Superman ain't going to come down from above and save us on this one. It's up to you, and it's up to me. So here's how we're going to do it. What you might not know is that one of the biggest contributors to climate change are factory farms, where billions of animals are kept in unnatural conditions for the meat that you consume. Now, these factory farms contribute to water pollution, air pollution, the decimation of rural communities, deforestation, and the fear and suffering of billions of sentient creatures who are tortured essentially until they're ultimately murdered, often in front of their children, often in front of their mothers. 99% of the meat that you eat and the milk that you drink comes from these places. Well, what about old MacDonald who milks the cows? That guy doesn't exist. He's more of a myth than the Easter Bunny. This is where the animal products you consume come from. Now, how can you help? Well, just don't contribute to that industry anymore. I know it's a big ask, but baby steps, right? I'm asking you for Earth Day to take the 1 week factory farm detox. 1 week where you don't eat any meat and you don't drink any milk. A 1 week commitment. It's like Meatless Monday, but for the whole week. Can you do it? I think you can. And if you can, you will have taken one big step towards what must be the next era for mankind. There's a link in my bio to help you get started. Do it for yourself, do it for billions of sentient animals, and do it for your kids and your grandkids so that they have a place to, live.